What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one, another video, baby, another lit video. Actually, it's Sunday, so this is Reverend Breezy coming to you. Hey, man, I'm about to drop $10,000 more dollars, $10,000 more dollars in the drip right now today. Now, I was gonna do it last night, but you know what I'm saying, I want to do it on video this morning. Y'all costing me money. I think the price dropped down to like, I think it was 360 or something. So I'm losing messing with y'all. You know what I'm saying? But hey, did an airdrop yesterday. Congratulations to everybody, man. You know what? I think I'm going to do another one. I'm going to go back to back just for those that support. See, I know some people just show up on Friday when I do my airdrops every Friday. But for those of y'all that show up, you know what I'm saying, every day, back to back, this is for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Don't tell nobody. This is for y'all. So I'm going to do another airdrop today, back to back. Who doing that, bro? Who? These dudes ain't even doing one airdrop. I'm doing airdrop back to back. You understand me? So, and this time you ain't got to be the first 10. I'm just going to do 10 random. Just 10 random. Just make a comment, reply to yourself with your address. You know what I'm saying? Now, I don't know YouTube. I don't know how they might think it's a link or something, so they don't show it. So comment if you later on and do it again. I don't know, man. I'm just going to pick 10 random people, drop it on your head, and we're going to keep it moving, baby. But I'm finna drop this $10,000 into the Drip Network one more time. Let's get it, baby. I'm going to show you from beginning to end, too. From beginning to end. I got to go move some stuff around. Let's see. Let me see. You know how some people do it. They'll say they did it and later on, yeah, I had did this. I had put 80,000 Bitcoins in the elephant money. You didn't see it, but I done it. I'm going to do it when the video go off. I'm tripping, man. But nah, I'm going to show you from beginning to end, baby. From beginning to end. And if you don't know how to get in the drip, I'm going to show you that too. See, I ain't even got no BNB. I got to swap some stuff out here, man. What I got going on? Where my money at? Y'all finna see all my shit coins I got here. Oh, speaking of shit coins, Tenville. Go to tenville.finance. Click on the Telegram. Them boy go to tenville.finance. Click on Telegram and thank me later. So let's go. Let's get some of this USDT up out of here, man. Let's get $10,000 worth of drip. Come on, man. See, when you're doing a video, when you running this streaming stuff, man, the stuff it's slow. It don't want to work right. Yeah, come on. What you doing? There we go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Oh, 10 bands. You know what we doing? You know what we doing, baby? One more. 10 bands. 36. Being bizzle. I gotta prove USDT. Boy, you talking about a scam. This is the most scam button in crypto right here, boy. I don't care what nobody say. You ain't got to prove it to buy, but you got to prove it to sell it. What kind of nonsense is that? I bought it. Well, I got to prove it to sell it, man. That is the most scam button. Don't nobody say nothing, though. Y'all quick to get on these platforms and all that, but y'all won't talk about, well, I don't care who it is. It could be CZ, DZ, YZ. I mean, it ain't just him. It started with Uniswap. You know what I'm saying? I don't know who behind Uniswap. Who behind Uniswap? Who is that? They don't know show they fake, but shout out to Uniswap, man. All this stuff based on Uniswap. I don't care what chain it is. They all come from Uniswap. Man, you know where Uniswap come from? Richard Heart. People hate that. One day I'm going to tell my story, but I'm going to go back, man. I'm going to go back, tell you my story from beginning to end. Come on, man. God, dog. Boy, finally. All right, now we got our BNB. Let's go back over here to Drip, baby. Let's make the magic happen. You got to have the BNB to get up in here. You know what I'm saying? All right. So what we're going to go to. We'll go right down here to buy Drip. How much I got? 36 or 37? I do 36. Oh, not 366. Boy, I wish. Oh, Lord. I wish Forest Shark add a 6 on that. I'll let you boy. Anyway, man. Yeah, I'm going to do 36 BNB. You see it right there? Bam. Bam, bam. Buy right now. Take the little 10% in. I pay it, but I support the platform. Always buy drip, man. That's why I support people that support the platform. People be, I know everybody got their store. Man, I ain't got but $4. Yeah, I know. What you doing in drip then? Go on somewhere. $4 ain't gonna do you no good over here, man. But I know it, man. Everybody gotta start somewhere. Come on here, man. Come on, Meta Man. Trying to support the platform. Let me see the price gonna go up a little bit. Where's $388? Can I get it to $390? $395? Look at that. Shout out to your boy, man. See, I don't get no credit for the things I do, man. You know what I'm saying? I be making y'all just look at all that money y'all just made. Go into your faucet, look at your balance now. Who did that? Your boy. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, let's go over here. What we gonna do? Got to deposit the drip, baby. Got to deposit the drip. Got to go to the faucet. So you buy your drip, then you go to the faucet. I got $249.95. $240. No, $24.95. $24.95. Deposit. Look at that 10% tax, but you gotta keep the platform going. Gonna do it that way. See what my max payout gonna see how to jump that up. This is what I want. This is what you need to be focusing on. This right here. You know what I'm saying? When you deposit, this gonna jump. Your max payout gonna jump up too. And I'm gonna see what this gonna jump up to. That's your daily payout. I'm showing you in a minute once it go through. That's why I like to do it on video so you can go back and look what it was before and what it was after. Gonna make it do what it do, baby. Shout out to everybody on the team. And don't forget, double airdrop back to back to day 2. So do not forget, make a comment in the reply, put your address, and maybe do it again later on. I'm gonna wait 10 minutes. Cause I'm just gonna do random. You know what I'm saying? Ain't gonna be the first 10 and then I'm just gonna do random. You know what I'm saying? So, and come off of incognito mode. You can't be all in incognito mode, man. Come on now. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Now wait a minute. What happened to my available? What happened to that? Maybe I should have claimed first, huh? Maybe it went in here. I don't know, I gotta ask for it, y'all. What happened to my available, baby? Where my money? It's all good, though. You know what I'm saying? That was my fault. I need to know what's going on for you to see. But see, some of y'all will go all in the telegrams and swear something is a scam and ain't read the white paper, ain't read none of this. Don't know what's going on. But yeah, man. So look, if you want to join the team, you gotta come down here. Right here. This box will say get a buddy. It'll be a white box down here. You copy my address in the section down below. Paste that in. Click update. And you'll be on the team. You got to make a deposit. You know what I'm saying? Go hard as you can. I think the minimum is 10, but y'all know I don't look, man. Don't come here wasting my time because you're clogging up the system. MetaMask already clogged up, man. You just playing around. You got, $10,000. You just want to come play around, put $20 over it. No, man. Ain't what we doing. You know what I'm saying? But look here. So, and we just learned something now. You just learned something. Claim first or hydrate or hydrate or claim. So you'll control what you did. I had available balance. I don't know where it went to, but hit claim first. Then make your deposit. You know what I'm saying? So hit claim first, then make your deposit. You know what I'm saying? So we just learned something. You know what I mean? Save you some money. You know what I mean? So there go my drip balance now, as you can see. So nobody give me nothing. I have to move stuff around and make my own way. Look at my max payout. See what I'm saying? And this is how you join the team. So when I do the airdrop, I'm come right down here, put direct airdrop, paste your address right here, put 20 drip right there, and hit send. See now, I ain't got no drip. I ain't got nothing. I just put in $10,000. I ain't got nothing. I gotta wait. I just made $1.45 in what? A minute? Why balling? You know what I'm finna do since I did that? What time is it? Right now it's about 11:50 a.m. So I'm gonna come back at 12:50 a.m. I should pause the video, but I'm gonna come back at 12:50 a.m. and see how much I make an hour. Just see what that says in 1 hour. That'll be pretty cool, huh? But anyway, man, like the video, man. Just good information, giving away free money. You know what I'm saying? Who don't like free money? You should come here just to get the free money. But anyway, man, like the video, comment, subscribe, holler back at your